Gentle people, welcome. First, a disclaimer. This video is to provide information to those who might have been recommended a left foot accelerator by a driver training professional. So in my case, I went through an evaluation with a company called Handicapped Driver Training after I had a right knee disarticulation and I could no longer drive with my right foot. So I had a choice between a mechanical left foot adapter or a left foot electronic accelerator with auto lock, and that's what I'll be talking about in this video. Mine is made by a company called SureGrip. It was installed by Ability Center in Stanton, California. So it looks like a clutch, but it isn't. It's an accelerator for the left foot on the left side of the brake instead of using the accelerator on the right side like it traditionally is. Now this system comes with a safety feature called autolock. What that means is only one accelerator is engaged at a time. So when you first start the car, it always starts off with the factory settings, meaning the right accelerator works, but the left one does not do anything. You have to press this button within 30 seconds of first starting the car, and if you do, it stays blue. The beeping you just heard is a 15-second reminder. Now if the light is lit blue, that means your left pedal is engaged and the factory right accelerator doesn't do anything. You could toggle back and forth using the button, but this time you have to press it 3 times within a 5-second interval, and then when the light turns off, it is now back to the factory right accelerator and the left accelerator disengaged. I hope this was informative for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. Thanks guys.